Hey guys, thanks for coming back to KG's Garage. This video was shot a while back. It's when I did the alternator in my 2008 Pontiac G8. Hope you like it. I was messing around. I just got my new camera at the time and I was mostly using a GoPro, so it's a lot of GoPro. It's the same GoPro I'm shooting with right now. One of those little hero sessions. Hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching.
Hello everybody. I'm working on the G8 today, 2008 G8, Pontiac G8. The first thing I did was I disconnected the negative battery. The battery in this, hold on, I can't see, there's no light. 1 second. Anyway, so the battery in this car is in the trunk. As you can see right here, see it? So what I did is I took the negative battery cable off. And now there's no power to the car, so that's good. So I'm changing out the alternator. I was noticing, well, I got one thing. I got a alternator light that came on, and I have a gauge in there, and it tells me, I have a scan gauge, and it was telling me that I was low voltage, and I was looking at it, it was like 11 volts when I was driving, and then I just drove it up here now in the shop, and it was below 13. It was like 12.5 or something like that, and it was fluctuating. The last time I drove it was fluctuating all over the place. So I purchased a new alternator, which is right there. Assuming it's going to be the same. I haven't checked it out yet. The old one's in there. Down in there. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the belt off. And some people say you have to move the power steering bracket. But I'm going to take the belt off first, take off everything that's bolted to the alternator, and see what happens. A lot of people say you have to get it from the bottom, so I'll probably lift it up and take it up from the bottom. But I don't know, we'll see. Alright. I'm looking at the belt. Let's take a note of how it routes. I'm thinking now maybe I should have run the belt. I don't have a new belt, so we're not doing it. Around that pulley. Okay. Oops. I guess it goes this way. And there, it's off. So battery powered, wrench, stick it on there. My problem is lose the looks like there's a connector here somehow. Alright, so now I see why they say take the power steering off. It's in the way. New alternator.
sitting in the car, something like that. So I took this off, I took this out, I took this one off. It looks like all I have to do is take this off. Oh, there's another one over here. Here and here. So this one, so I need these two. Oh, and I bet this is in the way. Okay. Let's see. So the alternator's down there. There's one bolt. Hidden by the belt. There and there. Not too hard. There, let's come right out. I don't know how it's getting out, since there's this in the way, and well, that moves a little bit for some reason. No, it doesn't move at all. Okay. Power steering brake comes off. Okay. Power steering, pulley, move it out of the way. It's hot. Everything's hot. I had it idling outside for about 10 minutes while I was moving cars around. Well, it's just hanging there. Okay. That's it. I don't see anything else hooked up to the alternator. It doesn't want to come out. It's stuck in there forever. Let's see if I can coerce it into coming out. I know some of you G8 guys are probably laughing at me. You've done this before, and you know exactly how it comes out. Oh, well, this really now. Oh, how easy! Look at this. You know what? The next time I do one of these, it's gonna be like 10 minutes. There's the old one. Look at that. Well, does that work? 140, 140, same numbers. This was made in Japan. I was going to get the PPV one, but I decided I didn't want to spend all the extra money. It was like almost another $100 to get the PPV one. And I think the PPV is like 170 or 190 amps, so there wasn't that much difference in my mind. I don't have a big stereo on there or anything, so they look the exact same. Except this one's all filthy inside. Look at it, gross. Not that that matters, but okay, let's put the new one in. Sounds a lot better. Alright, so those two are in. I'm just going to snug them up by hand. Okay. Okay. All right. While the power steering's out, put this bracket on. And that's somewhere over here. And then over here. Have to connect this plug. Went down here somewhere. Take the glove off so I can feel what's happening. Alright. So, I don't remember how it goes. Like this. Around here, around here, good thing is, if I do really forget, I'll just go look at my other car. Okay, so let's start on the crank. Right on the crank. Around the crank, around that idler pulley. Oh, God. Let's make it go around. The adjustable one first. Alright. Around here. Around this pulley. Down. Around, how's the alternator? And around. Yes, that's how it goes. Take it off the adjustable one. Put it around the power steering, under the water pump. That's how it goes. Now, I just have to loosen this up. Done. Hope you liked the video on doing the alternator in the 2008 G8. It wasn't much for talking on camera back then or doing intros and outros. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and you'll see more videos. I have some other stuff that I did to the G8. I have brakes coming up, I did a starter, and there's other stuff going on. Thank you very much. See ya.